Okay, this is going to be a video about how to upgrade your installation of Jmol. So the first thing that I want to do is find out where my Jmol installation is. So I start down here, start with the File Explorer. You can see it's come up on the screen. I know it's on this PC, local disk C, drive C. That's where Windows programs store all their stuff, is in Windows Program C. We'll check Programs Files. Program Files 2. Okay, and that's where my Jmol my Jmol installation is. So what I'm going to do is click on that and click delete. Well, I'll just push the delete button. It's deleting everything that's in my Jmol folder. So I want to remember where this is. It's in Jmol. It's in Program Files to Disk C, Program Files 2. You can see that up above here. Okay, so now that's deleted. Now what I want to do is, now if you subscribe to Jmol, the Jmol newsletter, or the Jmol newsline, you will get updates. You'll get information about updates in your email. So that's what I'm doing now, is going to email, and I'm going to find the latest Jmol update. So it's going to take a couple of minutes to get my mail, and then what I'm going to do is search for Jmol in the search box that appears. You can see there's my mail. Okay, there's all my mail. Amazon.com, Prosper, My Pillow. Okay, now up here in the search box, I guess you can't see it. The search box, I'm going to type Jmol. Let me set this so you can see it. In this search box here, I'm going to type Jmol. Click enter. That's going to bring up all the mail that has to do with Jmol. Now, see, there's quite a few things here. But what I'm looking for is SourceForge update. There's a new Jmol available. So I click on that, and that takes me to the mail that they sent me, where it talks about the SourceForge update Jmol. I guess that's not the one. Update available. Okay, update available. Okay, now wait a minute. No. Go back to that. You have an update available. Download the latest version. So click on download the latest version here. And that will download the latest version to it's opening Firefox. I don't know exactly why. Well, I guess it's got to go to, okay, 14.2.35. Get updates. Get updates. Your download will start shortly. Here, 1 second. My download has started. Up here, it's showing that Jmol is being downloaded. Jmol 16.1.5 binary zip. Okay, thank you for downloading Jmol. It's not quite done. You can watch the progress bar over here. It's almost done. Okay, that's it. Now, close Firefox. You don't need Firefox anymore. Don't need Mail anymore. We're going to back to the File Manager, Windows File Manager, and click Downloads. Downloads will show Jmol 16.1.5 binary zip. So you click on that. Right click on that. Click Open With. Now I have 7-zip File Manager, which is a file expander, zip file expander. And what we're going to do is click on Jmol, extract, and we're going to extract it to downloads. Okay, so it's extracted to downloads. Now we're going to close the zip file manager and double click the binary, and it gives you the Jmol expanded files. So click on that and click on copy up above. We copy that. Now we're going to go back to this PC, local disk C, double click on that, program files 2, and then we're going to click on paste. You see it's pasted, and so you see that here it's pasted Jmol 16.1.5. Now to get that on the desktop, what you want to do is double click it, and where it says Jmol jar, click on that, right click, show more options. Open with, restore perfect, create shortcut. So now we created a shortcut. There's a shortcut here. Now all you want to do is drag the shortcut onto the desktop. And there's one already there, the Jmol jar shortcut already there. So what you want to do is replace in the destination. And that will replace my Jmol icon over here. It actually puts it over here. I can drag it back to where it was. Okay, and close File Manager, double click on Jmol jar, and you'll see from Help, What's New, Credits, Jmol Java Console, Jmol Wiki, What's New, About Jmol. This is now Jmol 16.1.5. You can see it here. So we've successfully installed the new version of Jmol. We can click close on that. Open a file if you want. Get PDB. We'll try 1CRN. That's a standard. And you can see there's 1CRN, which is a plant protein done by Martha Teeter back in the 1990s, I think. Martha Teeter was a professor at Boston University. She started there when I was a student there. She started as a lecturer and graduated, eventually was promoted to professor. And she did this work while she was at Boston University, I'm pretty sure. The crystal structure of 1-CRN, which is a plant protein. I don't know more about it than that, so I won't say more about it than that. Okay, that's it. That's installation of a new version of Jmol. Exit Jmol, yes. Okay, we'll exit Jmol. Okay, that's it. I hope that's been helpful to you, and we'll see you again in another tutorial.